Lesson 2-4, solve equation with variables on each side. Okay, that's the title of the lesson, and this one, solve each equations. Okay, now to solve this equation, you do transposing, which means you try to group A with A and the number by itself, where I will do the transposing. So you have 7A, and then you transpose A from this side to the other side, become minus A, 2A's, equal to, you transpose 10 to the other side, become minus 10. So you have 7A minus 2A, you have this as 5A equal to negative 10. So to get A equal to, it implies that A equal to negative 10 divides 5, which means you have negative 2. So A equal to negative 2. Number 2, same idea, transposing, you transpose negative 8 to the other side, you have 11x, move 8x to the other side, become minus 8x equal to 24. 11 minus 8, you have this one as 3x equal to 24. To get x, 24 divides 3. So 24 divides 3, you get 8. So x equal to 8. And then number 3. Number 3, you have 8y, transpose y to the other side, 6y to the other side, become minus 6y equal to, you have this one as, write down the 17 first, transpose the 3, negative 3 to this side, become plus 3. So 8 minus 6, you got 2y, 17 plus 3, you got 20. So to get y value, 20 divides 2, you have 10. Y equal to 10. Number 4. Now for number 4, you have 5p, then you move 4p to the other side, become minus 4p, equal to, write negative 1 down first, negative 1, and then transpose 2 to the other side, become minus 2. So 5p minus 4p, you have 1p, just p, negative 1, negative 2, you got negative 3. So p equal to negative 3. Number 5, working with fraction, you have negative 1 over 6n, transpose this one to the other side, you have also negative 1 over 6n equal to, write down negative 1 first, transpose 15 to the other side, you have minus 15. Okay, so you have negative 1 with negative 1, you have got negative 2. So you have negative 2 over 6n equal to, you have negative 16. You can simplify this one first, you have negative 1 over 3, actually over 3n equal to negative 16. So negative is no more negative, positive. So n is positive answer, and then to get this, 16 times, again let me repeat, negative and negative, no more negatives, okay? So 16 times 3, you got this as 48. 48. Now number 6. Number 6, negative 2 over 9b minus, transpose this one to the other side, become minus 1 over 3b equal to, write down negative 7 first, negative 7, and then you're working with, you're transposing 3 to the other side, become minus 3. Okay, this will give you a minus answer. Let me work on this one first. 2 over 9, and then you plus together with 1 over 3, that will give you 5 over 9. So you have negative 5 over 9b equal to, this is going to be negative 10. So to get b value equal, this is negative, negative, no more negative. So the answer is going to be positive. So to get b value, you get 10 multiplied by 9, and you divide by 5. Let me divide this one first, which means you're doing the multiplicative inverse. So you have 10 multiplied by 9 divided by 5. So 90 divided by 5, or you just simply 10 divided 5 times 2. 10 divided 5 is 2. 10 divided 5 is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Number 7. And you have negative 6f move f to the other side, minus 2f equal to, you have minus 11, and then move 13 to the other side, minus 13. So minus 2, minus 6, minus 2, you have minus 8f equal to minus 11 minus 13, you have minus 24. Minus and minus, no more minus. 24 divides 8, you got 3. So f equal to 3. Number 8. Okay, number 8, you have 2.5h. You move 4h to the other side with minus 4h equal to, transpose 15 to the other side, become plus 15. So you have 2.5 minus 4, you have 1.5. You have negative 1.58 equal to 15. So to get h value, h gonna be a negative answer because this is negative. So 15, you have 15 divides 1.5. That will give you 10. Negative 10. Okay, number 9. And number 9, so write an equation and solve to find the number. Okay, now 18 less than 3 times a number is twice the number. 18 less than 3 times, we have 3 times, and I say n is a number, so 3 times a number, 18 less than 18 is equal to twice a number, to n. Now let's find n together. So you got, so you transpose 2 to the other side, you have 3n minus 2n equal to transpose 18 to the other side, become 18 like this, no more minus. So you have n, or you want n equal to 18, n equal to 18. It's done. Number 10. 9 fewer than half a number is 5 more than 4 times the number. Okay, so 9 fewer than, so you have 9 minus half a number, so 1 over 2n is equal to 5 more than 4 times. You have 4 times the number plus 5. Alright, and now let's work on this one together. So this is going to be half, so you transpose this one to the other side, so minus 1 over 2n transpose minus 4n equal to 5, and then you minus 9. So that, now you have 4, negative 4.5 n equal to, this is going to be 4, negative 4, sorry. So negative, negative, no more. So you got 4 divides 4.5. That gives you 8 over 9. So n equal to 4 divides 4.5 is equal to 8 over 9. You can do this simplify. 4 over 4.5. Or in other words, you have 40 over 45. And you simplify this one by 5. You have 8 over 9. So let's write this one first. 9 minus 1 over 2n equal to 4n plus 5, and it implies that n equal to 8 over 9. Okay, number 11. For number 11, we have how many tickets is the cost the same for club members and non-club member. Alright, so this is the club member. You need to pay $30 for membership fee and $3 for every ticket you buy. And for non-membership, you don't pay anything for the membership, but you pay $6 for every ticket. So for them to be equal, how many tickets is it that the cost of these two will be equal? Right, so first of all, let's try to identify the equation first. So the equation, you have 30 plus, let me represent t as a ticket, so 3t equal to 6t. Let me do this one. This is the payment of one ticket, or just in T ticket of membership, for T ticket of non-membership. So after that, let's try to work on this. You can transfer t 3t to this side also. You have 30 right here equal to 6t minus 3t. 30 equal to 3t. So you will have this as 10 tickets. So t equal to 10 tickets. Number 12. Number 12, this is a square. Now since it is square, the sides are congruent. What is the length of the side of the square, and then what is the perimeter? So you have this side congruent with this side. So in other words, you will have 4x minus 2 equal to 2x plus 8. That's what you will have, because they are the same. This side and this side are the same length. You move 2 to the other side, we have 4x minus 2x equal to, you transpose 2 to the negative 2 to the other side, become positive. So 8 plus 2, you got 10. So you have 2x here equal to 10. It implies x equal to 5. X equal to 5. So when your x is 5, so let's try to find the length of the square. So when x is 5, 4 times 5, 20. 20 minus 2, 18. You can work on this as well if you want to. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So this is 18 units. Now after that, what is the perimeter of the square? This is 18. So you have 18, 18, 18, 18. You simply plus all of this number together, or just multiply by 4, because since it's all 18. So you got 18 times 4, that give you 72 units. 72 units. Now, area of triangle. Alright. Let's get area. To get before you get area, you need to find the value of the length and the width first. Alright. And now in rectangle, this side and this side are congruent, the same length. So you have 2x equal 2x plus 17 equal to 6x plus 9. So you transpose 2x, you can transpose 6x to the other side, you will have negatives. So you have 2x minus 6x, you have minus 4x equal to, you have 9, transpose 17 to the other side, become minus. So 9 minus 17, 9 minus 17, that give you negative 8. So therefore you have x equal to 2. So since when your x is 2, let's try to find this value. X is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 17. You have this one as 21. So the length is 21. Let's try to find the width. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Alright, now area of rectangle, length times the width, or width times the length, is either way. So you have 21 times 7. So 21 times 7, that will give you 147. Since this area, this is going to be units square. 147 units square. And then let's move on to the other numbers. We have 2 more numbers to go in this section. Okay. Number 15, sorry. See, write an equation to find the value of x so that the pair of polygons have the same perimeter. Alright, they have the same perimeter. So let's try to find this perimeter first. This one you have x plus 3. This is x plus 1. This side and this side congruent, and this side and this side also congruent. It's 3. Okay, now let's try to find the value of the perimeter of rectangle first. So let's work on x first. 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. So you have 4x plus you have 3 plus 3, 6, 6, 7, 8 plus 8 equal to, they have the same perimeter of this one. So x plus x plus x, you got 3x. And then for the number 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 5, 11. Now let's work on this. and move x to that side, move 8 to the other side. You have 4x minus 3x equal to 11 minus 8. We have x right here. 4 minus 3 is 1, which is x. 11 minus 8, which is 3. So it's 1 right here. The right equation. So you have 4x plus 8 equal to 3x plus 11. And then after that, x equal to 3. Same idea with this. So to get the perimeter of this polygon, this pentagon, you plus all this side length together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Or other word, you just put 12 multiplied by 5. That gives you 60 or 60x. So you have 60x equal to this plus together. X plus 6x, 7x, 8x. So you have 8x. And then 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 7, 26, plus 26. Now once you have that, let's do the transposing. You have 60x minus 8x equal to 26. So 60 minus 8, you're going to have this one 52, x equal to 26. And then x equal to 26 over 52. 26 divided 52, this is going to be 1/2. So x equal to 1 over 2. That's the end of our lesson 2-4. Lesson 2-5. Solve multi-step equations. Solve each of these equations. Let's begin with number 1. To do this, you do this distributive property. Multiply inside first. Negative 12 times k, you have negative 12k, and then negative positive become negative. So 12 times 4, this is you have 48, equal to 60. So after that, now you move 48 to the other side, so you have negative 12k equal to 60 plus 48. So 60 plus 48, negative 12k equal to is going to be 108. Now to get k value, this is negative, this is positive, so the answer is going to be negative value. So negative, wait first. So you have 108, you divide this by 12, they're going to give you 9. So negative 9. Number 2, you multiply in all together, you have 3, 8 times 3 is 24. You have 24a, and then plus, this is 8 times 6, 48, plus 48, and then 9 times 2 is 18a, and then minus 9 times 4, this is 36. After that, you move a to the other side. 18a to the other side, this is positive, become negative. So you have 24a minus 18a, that's gonna give you 6a. You got 6a equal to, this is negative 36. You transpose 48 to the other side, become negative as well. So you have minus 36 minus 48. So 36 plus 48, in other words, plus 48. We're going to have this one as 80, negative 84. So negative 84 divided by 6, this is going to be a negative answer for A. So 84 divided 6, they're going to give you 14. Number 3. Now for number 3, 1 over 3h is minus, you multiply this together, so 4 times 2 is 8 over 3h, and then negative here positive. 4 times 3 positive 12 equal to, this is 2 over 3h minus 6. Now let's combine all the h together. I will move all the h together. You have 1 over 3h minus 8 over 3h, and then you minus again 2 over 3h equal to minus 6 minus 12. Okay, so now you have a 1 minus 8, which is minus 7, minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. So you have minus 9 divided by 3 minus 3. So you have minus 3h equal to minus 18. So this minus minus and no more minus. So let me repeat on this step. 1 minus 8 minus 7 minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 minus 9 divided by 3. Put the denominator is 3 divided by 3. You have 3 negative 3 h minus 6 minus 12 minus 18. So there's no more negative. 18 divided by 3, you got 6. Number 4, multiply in again. 8 times c, you got 8c. This is minus 8 times 9, which is 72, equal to 6 times 2, which is 12c. And then it's minus as well. 6 times 12, which is, this is 60. No, 72. I'm sorry, this is 72. It's not, was thinking about 12 times 5. So this is 12 times 72, and then you minus this as for c. Now let's combine all the c together. So I have 8c minus 12c plus 4c equal to minus 72 plus 72. Okay. So it seems like we have here 8 plus 4, you have 12. 12 minus 12, you have 0. C equal to now 70 minus 72 minus 72, you have 0 also. Now when this happens, 0 equal to 0, then the answer to this equation is infinite solution. Is you can put many solution or infinite. You should put infinite solution. When that's happen, 0 equal to 0, which means infinite solution or many solutions. Book on number 5. Number 5, you have a negative 10y plus 18 equal to 3 times by negative 3 times 5y, you have negative 15y, and then positive, because negative positive 35. 3 times 7, which is 21, and then you plus 5y. Okay, so you have a negative 10y plus 15y, and then minus 5y equal to 21 minus 18. Let's look at this together. Now 15 minus 10, you got 5. 5 minus 5, you got 0. You have 0y equal to 21 minus 18, you got 3. So now when this happens, 0 equal to a number which is not true. 0 equal to 3, no, it's not going to happen. 0 cannot be equal to 3, so therefore this is a no solution. No solution. There is no answer to this equation that would satisfy it. So there's no answer, no value of y that would satisfy this equation. That's why there is no solution. Number 6. You multiply in together. 8 times t, you got 8t. 8 times 2, you have 16, minus 3t, and then minus become plus 12 equal to, you got 6t, and then minus 42 plus 8. Let's combine all the t together. 8t plus 3t minus 8t minus 3t minus 6t equal to, you have minus 42 plus 8 minus 16 minus 12. Okay? Minus 16 minus 12, this is going to be minus 3 minus 6. So you have, this is a 8, so you have this one minus 9. Minus 9 plus 8, you got minus 1 or just minus t. So now you have all this 42, so you have negative 42. You have a negative 42. And then you plus 8 minus 16 minus 12, that give you minus 62. Minus 62, minus and minus, no more. So t equal to 62. Number 7, You multiply in together, the same idea. You have 4 times 5, you got 20, and then plus 4 times 2, you got 8x, minus 5 equal to 3 times 3, which is 9x, and then 3 times 7, which is plus 21. So let's combine all of this together. You have 8x minus 9x equal to 21 plus 5 minus 20. So x, you have minus x right here. 21 minus 20, you got 1 plus 5, you got 6, so negative 6. This is going to be x equal to negative 6. Number 8. 6 times 2, which is 12, you got 12x minus, this is 48, and then plus 3 equal to 15. So 12x minus 48 plus 3 equal to 15. Here is one of 12x equal to 15 plus 48 minus 3. So you have 15 plus 48, and you minus 3, that gives you 60. So 60, this is 60. 60 divided 12 is going to be 5. So this is 5. So x equal to 5. Number 9. Number 9, you have this as 1 over 2r. Multiply in together. You're going to multiply this and you have 6. This is plus 6 over 4r minus 1 equal to, oh no, not minus 1, minus 2. 1/2 of r plus 6 over 4r minus 2 equal to 1 over 4r plus 6. Let me combine all of this together first. You have 1 over 2r plus 6 over 4r, and then you minus 1 over 4r equal to 6 plus 2. 6 and then plus 2 here. Now let's work on this together. 1/2 of r plus 6 over 4r minus 1 over 4. So here I have 0.5, and then I plus this with 6 over 4, but I minus this by, this is going to be 0.25. 0.25, that's going to give us 7 over 4 or equal to 8. So to get value of r, all you need to do, we do the multiplicative inverse. 4 multiplied by 8 divided by 7. So you got 8 multiplies by 4 and you divide 7 into mixed number, that gives you 4. R equal to 4 over 7. Number 10. Negative 5 times 3, you got negative 15. Negative 15m minus 5 times 6 minus 30 equal to negative 4. Negative 3 times 4, negative 12m minus become plus 4 negative, and negative become plus 6. So you have negative 15 plus 12, you have negative 3m equal to 6. 6 plus you have 6 plus 30, you have 36. The 36 divided by 3 would give you 12. This is negative 12. So equal to negative 12. Number 12, negative 7k minus minus 63 equal to 9k minus 45 minus 14k. Right, combine all the k together. minus k minus 9k plus 14k equal to minus 45 plus 63. So I have this one here, minus 16 plus 14, you have minus 2k equal to, you got 63 minus 45, they're gonna give you 18. So minus, is this 18? Negative, positive become negative, so k equal to negative. Answer, this is gonna be negative 9. Number 13. Number 13, you have this 10p minus 6p, sorry, and then plus 12 equal to 12p minus 24 minus 8p. So this is 8, well, combine these two together, this one has 4p plus 12 equal to, so you have here 12p minus 8p, you have 4p minus 24. You move p to the other side, you have 4p minus 4p equal to minus 24 minus 12. So you have 0p equal to minus 36. So 0 equal to equal to 36. That's not gonna happen. So this one right here gonna be no solution. No solutions. Number 14. 12x plus 36 equal to 8x plus 36 plus 4x. So you have here like 12x plus 36 equal to, together you have also 12x plus 36. Now if you do the transposing around, you have 12 minus 12 0, 36 minus 36 0 also. So when 0 and 0 happen, the answer here infinite solution will be your answer. Number 15. 0.2 times you have 0.2x plus 0.2 times 50 will give you 10 equal to, or not equal to, minus 6. So it's going to be minus 6 equal to 0.4 times 3 going to be 1.2. You have 1.2x, and then it's going to be plus 0.4 times with 20, they're going to give you 8. So now move all this one together, you have 0.2x minus 1.2x equal to, you got 8 plus 6 minus 10. So this one you're going to have a minus x equal to, this is a 14 equal to 4. So x equal to negative 4. Let's work on number 16 and 17, our last two numbers. The school has budgeted for an end-year party of the local park, this $2,000. The cost for renting the park shelter is this much. How much can the student council spend per student on food if each of the students receive a 3.50 gift to spend on food? Okay, so you have $2,000 minus $150 that for the shelter, and then you minus also about 250 25, you multiply by $3.5, that's for the food, that's for the gift. So 2,000 minus $150 and minus 225 multiplied by $3.5, and after that, all that is have left is, you have left $1,062.50. That's for the food. Okay, now this value for the food right here, after the shelter rent after the gifts for the students, this is what we have left for the food. So you have 225 students, so you divide this by 225. So 1062.5 divides by 225 students. So each of the students, so you will spend about $4.72 for each of the students. For each student on food, each student on food. Number 17, the last number for this section. Okay, perimeter of rectangle is the length of the side of rectangle as write and solve an equation. Okay, let me draw the figure first. Perimeter of a rectangle is this much. The length, okay, we have the length 3x plus 4, and you have the width, the length of the sub-triangle, and okay, so we have the width here as 4, so it's going to be 4 here. 4x plus 4, and 4x plus 3, and then you have 3x for the shorter length, 3x plus 4. Now area of this, so perimeter of rectangle, length plus the width times 2. So let me work on this one first. So length plus the width, so you have 4x plus 3 plus 3x plus 4, and this length plus width multiplied by 2 equal to the perimeter of the rectangle, which is 8 2x plus 1. Let me simplify this for you. So you have 2 right here, and then you have 4x with 3x, you have this one as 7x, and then you have 3 with 4, you have 7, equal to 8 times 2, which is 16x, and then 8 times 1, which is 8. So I have this one going to be, well, let me write this one as the equation. Write the equation. So we have 2 7x plus 7 equal to 16x plus 8. Now after that, after writing the equation, then solve the equation to find the length of each side of a rectangle. Okay, now let's solve this equation together. Let's continue on solving this one. So you have this as 2 times 7, you have 14x plus 14 equal to 16x plus 8. So you're going to have this one as, when you move 16 to the side, become minus 16. So you have 14 minus 16, you have negative 2x equal to, now you have negative 14 plus 8. This one you're going to have negative 6. X equal to 3. So keep in mind your x here equal to 3. So after that, let's find the length and the width of rectangle. So let's try to find the width first. Let me put this one as W, the shorter length. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 unit. Oh, sorry, this is inch. 13 inch. And for the length, represented by L, equal to 3. So 3 times 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 inches. So that is all for our section 2-5.